Hello there. Welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. I thank all my subscribers and returnees. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to Nana's channel again. Okay, now, last week I was telling you guys that I wasn't myself, I wasn't feeling good. I lost my 94-year-old dad last week. That's why I wasn't myself. These things takes time. I'm a little bit okay, but we had to move on. So let's get to work. Anyway, Burda 6516. As I said last week that I've cut everything already. Now, this is my fabric. Oh, before I even show you my fabric, I have this interfacing that is sewed on. It has no glue on either side of it. So this type, you sew it on, okay? So this is my front facing, and I have sewn it on already. And this is the back facing. And I've done my loops for the belt, and this is the pattern piece. Now, and this is my lace that I spoke to you about last week, and this is my zipper. You know the rest, the zipper fold and so on and so forth. I still haven't decided which buttons yet. So far, these two I'm contemplating of these two. Okay, this one is out because it's too dark. My fabric is too dark already, so this one is out. Now, this is my pocket. I always like my pocket a little bit deeper and wider, so I always add half an inch all around. And this is the belt. This is the belt. This is the sleeve. And remember, I said I was going to put a lace trim, so that's the facing for it. Okay, because the original one just comes with folding under, I think 5/8. I didn't even look at it. 5/8, and then you hem it, or 1 inch. Is it 1 inch? I didn't even look at it. But as I said, I'm doing it my own way. Okay. Now, this is my bodice part, and I needed to add 1.5. Mostly 3/4 is what I needed to add, but I made it 1.5. I don't want to put on the belt and tie it and then see my crotch rising up, so I added a little bit more to it instead of 3/8. And this is the back of it. This is the pant. Okay. And this is the back, and this is the front. It has, both of them had dots. Okay. So, excuse me. What I'm going to do first, and as usual, I don't normally follow the instructions all the time, as I've said it over and over. So I'm going to do the shoulders of the blouse, or I should say the bodice, do the belt, put in the darts, and sew the pocket pieces to it, and then understitch the seam towards the pocket. Or if I go and it's towards the bodice, I'll let you know. Right now, my mind. Okay, now, so all this method I've walked you through before. So again, I'm not taking you to the machine. I'm going to do all that and then sew the belt, and I'll be right back. So hold on. Thank you. Hello there. I'm back. Okay, the pant side of the jumpsuit is done. The pocket, everything is done. Okay, the pocket is the same one that I did my very first pant. The same type of pocket. Okay, side pocket. So that part is done. Now the bodice is also done. The sleeves is not done. The loops is all ready for next week. The belt is also ready. And now the facing is halfway done, and I pin it so I can show it to you how it's gonna look when I'm done. But I will continue next week. See, this is how it's gonna be finishing. Okay, so as I said, the sleeve part is not done yet. Okay, so we'll continue next week. So I don't remember if I told you my dad was 94. Okay, as I said again, the reason why I wasn't myself because last week, because my dad passed away at age 94 last week. That's why I wasn't myself. But step by step, I'm getting there. So this is the end of the video. Happy sewing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye. Thank you.